In this video, I will show you how to fix the error on Steam if you have installed the game but Steam shows that the game is not installed. This problem can appear after you reinstall Windows, or after you change the name of the disk or game folder. To fix this problem, you need to specify the path to the installed game in the Steam launcher. At the top of the launcher, select Steam and then open Settings. Select Storage and click on this icon. After that, select Add Drive. Click on this icon and select Let me choose another location. Click on the Add button. After that, specify the path to the Steam folder on your disk. Select the Steam folder where the game is installed that Steam does not see in the launcher, and after that, the uninstalled game icon will change and Steam will show that the game is installed. Now I'm going to launch GTA 5 and show you that it works. The game started. In this way, you will be able to fix this problem without having to reinstall the game. That's all. If you liked this video, then like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching.